Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Christian, the acoustic guy, and I'm here today with another video to talk to you about a really fun tool called AcoustiTECH. So this is a tool that we have created where we actually have a database with thousands of acoustical tests that you can have access to. You can simply go onto our website, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. You go into www.acoustictech.com. Afterwards, you can click onto AcoustiTECH. Then you can simply scroll down, and you can select exactly what you're working on. So you can select your structure. Let's see, for example, here we're going to do a concrete slab. You can select your installation. Let's select glue down for this example. Maybe you know the floor covering that you're going to be working with. Let's say it's an engineered hardwood. Suspended ceiling, let's click on no. If there's an IIC minimum, let's say 50 to comply with the regulation. Let's not put a maximum for right now. And all acoustic solutions. You're going to see here a list of results of acoustical tests that have been performed. There are going to be a mixture of field tests, a mixture of laboratory tests. So when you see an assembly that is interesting for you, simply click on it. Afterwards, you're going to have the details of exactly what was on that test, and you're also going to have a test number. You can simply send us an email and ask for that report. We'll be more than happy to send that out to you.
Thank you so much for watching again, guys. Please consider subscribing onto our channel so you can learn more about acoustics and how it all works.